Hi folks, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be showing you some very beautiful sceneries of our beautiful Guyana, a round trip from Ogle Airport to Port Kaituma and then to Mabaruma, and a few sceneries at down the Mabaruma River, and then you're going to see a few, well, not a few, many parts of the Amazon rainforest. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. So this here is scenes taken from the west side, the best side. I normally take videos of the clouds here and I show it to my kids, and Amaya, she loves it. She calls it cotton candy. So folks, this flight, oh, I feel deaf. This flight took a detour to Kaituma, and then we're gonna head to Mabaruma. So this is actually the first time I've touched on Kaituma. Let's see what's going on in Port Kaituma. Okay, good. So this is Port Kaituma. So this is just the airport area. Estimated 50 minutes from Kaituma to Mabaruma. So folks, the reason why I'm doing a vlog of these areas is because I really enjoy looking at these views, and I feel proud that Guyana has so many beautiful places. Even though it's a lot of just forest and stuff, the scenery is breathtaking, and I just decided that I'm gonna share these scenes with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This is for the nature lovers, right? This video is mostly for the nature lovers like myself. Our amazing Amazon rainforest. This part here is the trip from Port Kaituma to Mabaruma, which took us like 15 minutes. So we have reached Mabaruma. Ah? 2 weeks now, man. What 3 days go work? Jamel, what you hiding for? Jamel getting fat. All the crab you buy and sell like George, dog. You gotta share your profit with me. I'm coming on there. The rain a bit tail all over the place. GT got it hard, no hell. The forecast say rain gonna fall this whole week here. So we don't know what next week gonna hold for we as yet. So folks, here you're gonna see a few buildings like the fire station, the guest house at Mabaruma, and some other historical buildings. There's Mabaruma guest house we passed just now. They're still functioning?
Yeah. But I didn't shake off because they don't want to say them. You get paid yeah, them boys
I went jungle all the time.
You went already?
Yeah, they're reasonable far. Like it take like an hour for reach there with the car.
There's no way. There's no way.
I don't know, maybe because the rain fall the day and oh god, the place is full of hole, the road. I wish I could have rolled down my window and taken better scenes, better videos, but the rain was falling. So guys, sorry for the inconvenience with this quality of this video here. Look at the mountains over the road there, over that area. Very beautiful. I think the boat and go home yesterday afternoon and oh lord, no, a lot of people had to move their stall. The car in the area them flood out. So reach Kumaka. Oh, this is not the waterfront, this is the market area. You guys have seen this area a lot before. It's raining, the rain start fall. So I'm still here at Kumaka and I see Digicel, which is right over there. They're giving out phones. Okay, so if you have those little mango belters, they call like about 500 and something persons from around the area, Mabaruma, Red Hill, and Whitewater, the different villages, and they're trading in your mango belter, and they give you a Galaxy A07. Digicel got it going on. Everybody gonna get connected. Everybody must stay connected. Wondering how these persons would know that their phones, that they can come and trade in their old phones. Digicel has been calling persons and telling them to come and uplift it at Digicel here in Kumaka. Right, so even if persons didn't receive a call, they come and they check in with the girl at the Digicel, or Mrs. Gamil has been helping out, and they check the list to see if the person's number is on the list, and if it's there, then they go over to the Digicel and do their trading. It would be nice to Digicel if y'all did, you know, felt in a little nice one data plan free of charge, and then after that the people are going to do it on their own. The place is quiet because it's Friday. It's not a market day. Uncle, tell me a story. Tell me a story about the place.
You see, when I left here, you only had 3 houses. You had the place there, there was a pay place.
By the store?
64 times. We got away.
1964?
I've been living in the
What a
neighborhood.
long.
Now, when I come back, what's much house there?
Yeah, you enough house, you enough shop.
We only had 3 houses.
What about the
They
road?
had one at Tick. They were the same. One at Tick, they had one at used to cook food there. And there was a place used to cook food. I used to help them. Let me know the land.
And how far you go away? How far you went away?
They've been in Guyana and they've been in one of them islands in US, in Egypt.
Okay. And when you come back now?
Let me come back in 2019.
2019? Okay. But you like how the place changed up, right?
Well, I see how the place changed up until now.
Our?
Anche.
Me got,
Che c'è?
Where you want?
you want 100? 100. I thought it's only cheap, they get 10,000. But you like how the place changed up, back?
Yes, it changed up a lot.
Yeah, access to enough things.
After 60 years, it changed up a lot.
You get access to a lot of things.
You can't imagine that. When I passed through Mabaruma, Mabaruma flat.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
First time we come up this side was in
I
2014.
used to live right not too far from here.
Oh.
After this, because Gomes, his family Gomes. We used to ride every year, maybe used to go.
And what your name?
My name Hedley Gomes.
Headley Gomes. Okay. Alright. Well, the first time we come here, Headley Gomes. You born October 10th, 1940. Oh, lad, you old.
86.
86-year-old. The
Oh, you
first time
come
we
up?
come up was towards 2014. But you had all them shop and all them,
You belong to this area though?
no.
Come
Well,
on.
I'm from
Me
Region
born in
3.
Mabaruma. Me born in Mabaruma.
Okay.
My father then go in Venezuela with Venezuela people. And the Ghanaian and they're there. My father and my mother there inside there.
And they never come back.
They never called them there. And I got two
No, me
brothers-
mean when
two
they
brothers
gone,
there in
when
Venezuela
they
too.
gone, they never come back.
Never come back.
So then, okay. Alright.
When my family was Peer, my brother-in-law them was them Peer.
Pear?
Joseph Peer.
Oh.
He had four of them brothers married to my sister them.
Me know one pear, Andy Pear.
Who?
Andy Pear.
He know he. And then Reuben, he dead. Clement dead, Joseph dead, and Francis dead. All them by dead.
Okay. They're older than you?
Yeah, them by all of them.
Okay. After long and uncle come join me, he start telling me some story about how the place
So
used to
why
be.
you in the family name?
Me? Me family originally named Nat.
Nat.
N-A-U-T-H, Nat. Me for Region 3.
Oh.
Just come up here for do payroll. Because I go Mabaruma River. And me married and my husband named Bissessar. So my name Bissessar.
Besessa.
Yeah, my husband named that. So my name changed. He was also here to change his phone. Let me see your phone I had. So you come change your phone so you got a little mango pelter. If you are wondering what I call a mango pelter, this
Stop working.
is the mango pelter. Yeah, come on, no? Yeah, come on, you walk.
Come on,
They're going to collect that and they're going to give you another one, a new one. Just come take a stroll out the front, see what's going on. The weather, there's some nice weather for travel right now. If only this boat didn't reach here already. And now we make a move. But this is nice weather. Sun not hot, rain not fall. Proper weather. Alright, I just called Dion and asked if he wants some of this fine pepper. So the last time I buy some and carrot and he said he like it. All them shallow, all them fat. Right now, man, gotta get some eat. You got chana, oil roti with chicken curry, macaroni with chicken, puri chicken. Look like fried rice. Boil and fry. Arepa. Pizza, hot dog, bacon something. So folks, this is our company's Blackwater Farm where we where they have a nursery that they replant the heart of palm so that they can do reforestation. Gotta keep the country healthy and green. I'm here at the factory. It's 6:30 in the morning and it has been raining since 4 o'clock. Let's take a look at the Mabaruma River on a rainy day. The water reaches up high. I have my umbrella. I'm not an early eater, but I'm so hungry. This fresh air does make you hungry. This pancake is really nice. So we get some cheese spread and 2 boiled eggs. Watch me stand up. Wild cocoa. Check this out. The wild cocoa. Lots of them up here. This is a trip I always enjoy. Going for the workers. So guys, while I was doing inventory on a Sunday, we meet up with a zombie crab. This is what they call a zombie crab. It was, I think its tentacles was broken, so it couldn't get far, but we helped it back into the water. Now you're stuck.
Don't show that to your kids, they will ask you why you didn't bring it back.
Yo, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Who bother you? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? You watching me? You watching me? On our way to Waruta Creek, we went to pick up the workers for them to collect their salaries. We saw some parakeets on the way. The little carrion crow birds, we call them jumbly birds, blackbirds. They were enjoying the weather, enjoying the rain. Looking at these birds enjoying the weather made me feel like I wanted to go and enjoy it too. But I was scared I would get cold, and I don't want to get sick up there. So guys, take a look at our new harbor bridge from an aerial view. This is when I was traveling back from region 1 to Ogo, and that's from the west side to GT. I was testing out my camera to see how far it could zoom. Where is that? Come on, you have to get some Chinese food. Have a spoon, man. Call me see now you're looking after that. Watch me. You need teeth for today. We got excited of a sticker. That's for being good. We got a sticker. Oh my god. Face, my lack of sleep. I come home somewhere to get a little sleep. And I pick me now, I'm say, but I'm nice, I'm cried, I'm be bad. I will bring those teeth here. So I look after she teeth. I mean, how much weight now, teeth are bad, right? Grab on like a patience with them. Alright, so we go hit the home. We come back today from Northwest. And we open it.